presenting the Ram 2012 1500 Outdoorsman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 5.7L V8 Hemi multi-displacement VVT engine included, electronically controlled throttle dual rear exhaust with bright tips, monotone paint, bright white, dark slate medium gray stone premium cloth bucket seats, 20-inch x 8 inches aluminum wheels included, P275/60R20 all-season OWL tires, full-size temporary use spare tire locking lug nuts, 25T Outdoorsman customer preferred order selection package included, 5.7L V8 Hemi engine 6-speed auto trans 3.92 axle ratio anti-spin differential rear axle front suspension skid plate transfer case skid plate accent fender flares